Hello guys, welcome to the video. So today we are going to be replacing these old mirrors right here with some nice tow mirrors. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start the unboxing real quick. Alrighty. Here's what we got. I went with the ECCP mirrors right here, just off Amazon. They have the power option, so hopefully this works, because my motor's definitely burnt out on these mirrors, which is another reason I wanted to do this. And I found out that the last time I was driving, that honestly, if you have a wide trailer at all, like a car trailer, camper, anything like that, literally can't see anything. So these should solve that. Alright, so we have two boxes, left and right hand side. Came pretty nicely packaged. Alrighty, let's see what we got. Got some hardware right here. Dang, check that out, everyone. Alrighty, so as you can see, there we go. I'm going to go ahead and grab the other one. Some of those little protectors for the bolts and everything, so don't stab through the box. But this looks awesome, guys. Check it out. See the Shelby back there? Yep. I repainted the rest of the truck. I didn't bother with the mirrors because obviously they're going to get replaced with those things right there. Hello there, Shelby, you beautiful thing. Alright, so what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and take you through the install real quick, and I'm going to do it, properly. So go ahead and enjoy the time lapse real quick of how we do this. I'm going to go ahead and throw steps and everything else in there. So the only tools we'll need for this job is a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and an extension. Alrighty, would you look at that? Holy cow, that looks good. Let's check it out. Dang, she is a lot more beefy. Check out the other side in comparison. Yep, definitely a little lot better here. Although I did notice it seems to be a little bit cockeyed. I want to say Dirty Max Jack has a fix to that, so we might have to do that. But honestly, that's not bad. This is pretty good, guys. There she is. Let's see if everything works. The harness did fit perfectly, which I'm happy to say. It's quite awesome. Let's see. Alrighty. Ooh. Alright, I think my switch is bad because I saw it move for a second. I definitely saw it move for a second, but I think my switch is done. Hold up. Yeah, guys, I think my switch is broken over here. But hey, they're definitely on there. Alright, so you just saw me install that other side right there. I'm going to go ahead and knock this side out real quick, and then we're going to do some glory shots with this thing and see how amazing it looks. And I'm really stoked about this because this is something I've been wanting to do forever now. And I think it's really going to help bring out the truck a little bit. I have a couple more mods coming for this thing after the whole maintenance ordeal. I'm sick of doing maintenance on the thing for a minute. I want to do some fun mods. So that's what we're doing. Right, so I went ahead and installed a spacer on that side right there. As you can see, it's a lot more even compared to this side. That's just the washer, so I'm going to go ahead and install this side as Alrighty, and there we have it. Mind you, the driveway is a little crooked, so that's why that one looks up so much higher compared to the fence back there. But they're both even. So, what do you guys think? I think they look awesome. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and found it informational. I love the way they look. Be sure to have a great day. And if you like what you're seeing, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, all things Boost. And that's it for you guys. I appreciate you watching, and have a great day.